go. We'll go ahead and we are going to throw the bolts in. Rip the wheel off. Go ahead and throw it behind us. 2, 3. There we go. That's 1. Come on. Make sure it's not mushroomed or anything crazy. There we go. There we go. Alright, we got 2. Stubby. And I did have it in the tight position before, but we'll fix that. There we go. We'll rip this out. So you pull the 2 14s. Then all we'll do is open this up. We'll slide it off. We'll put a brake caliper decompressor in, which I'll show you guys how to do that. A little tight, but we'll be okay. There we go. We'll take the caliper. Go ahead and lean it up there. Don't wind it. Pop that out. This pad had a little bit of life on the inside. Wow, that one had a decent amount of life left. Look at that. Almost like it wasn't pulling the piston all the way. Or hitting the rotor all the way on one side. Alright, so what you do is first we'll get the light. And then we'll go like this so you guys can see more or less what I'm doing here. I'm really just trying to help everyone see, so give me a sec. There we go. That should be a little better. Oh wow, really? There we go. Perfect. If we can just get that light to stay there, we'll be good. So, take the decompressing tool. I like to just spin it with my fingers, make it quick and easy. Take one of these old brake pads and the new ones. Oh wow, the other new ones had metal pins on. We'll go ahead and knock this out, decompress it. Could use a C-clamp, but I already got the tool, so might as well just do it this way. Compress it. Got the piston flush with the housing, or the caliper, whatever you guys want to say. We'll go ahead. There we go. All right, so you guys see this is the slide pin. You got to push that slide pin in because it's going to stick out past where the ear that is. Woo! Got to keep going. There we go. All right, so brake job's done. Now we'll put the wheel back on. We'll go inside the vehicle, pump the brakes so the pistons get pushed back in